Okay, here are the practice sentences for the quarterly. I hope it doesn't bother Cameron. He says it won't. Okay. So the students are the subject. Discipuli. Tom, and this is the word fesos. Tired is fesos, but let's make it agree with the plural subject. Oops, I forgot the long mark. The discipuli tam feci erant, and you normally want to use erat, not fuit, with adjectives normally. They were so tired that. Oh, actually, let's add they were so tired by their homework. Tam feci erant. Tam feci. I don't know where to put. Where to put the pensum. Pensum is homework. So let's make it ablative. Penso. They were so tired by their homework. Ut. Wait. Sorry. That they. Ut. We can say class. It's not the best word for class, but skolam is probably better. But we'll go with classem. Ut ad classem. Let's immediately, we can do statim. Well, I need to close the door, there's noise. Okay. That they did not immediately come. Now, the students came. If this were Latin 1 or 2, it would be this. Venerunt. But because we're in an ut clause, we need a subjunctive. And we have two choices if we started past rather. If we started past, we have ongoing past if the aspect is ongoing, or pluperfect if the aspect is completed. So let's use the pluperfect because it's done, that they immediately did not come. Let's do this. They sent. And that's number one. The students were so tired that by the homework, and you're tired out by an ablative, just like you're killed by an ablative, that immediately they had not come to class. Okay, next. Paratus sum, I'm prepared. Let's make it we are prepared. Parati sumus. Let's make it we are not prepared. Non parati sumus. So parati non sumus. May the wheel of fortune not call on us. So this is present subjunctive. So the wheel of fortune is calling on us. Let's do this. Let's make it indicative. Rota fortune. It probably doesn't say wheel of fortune on the quarterly, but just work with me. The wheel of fortune is calling us. So let's make us accusative, and we can use vocat. Vocat. The wheel of fortune is calling us. So this should be easy. We'll just change it to subjunctive. And of course, vocare is a first conjugation, so it's we. Vocet. May the wheel of fortune call us. Now let's make it negative. Ne rota fortuna nos vocet. So this may not be exactly like the one on the quarterly. For instance, this one's negative. If it were positive, if we wanted to ask the wheel of fortune to call us, we don't need the ne. And just be careful that you know the present subjunctive for all the conjugations. We fear a liar. This one happened to be we, because in this sentence it's vocare. On the quarterly, I don't honestly know which conjugation the verb is. Okay, let's say we are setting out for the bathroom at once. Ad latrinam statim. we are setting out. Proficiscur, proficischeris, proficicetur, proficiscimur. Now, that's a little tricky. Proficiscimur, we are setting out. Not sure. I don't remember if it's we, but I'm thinking it probably is a deponent. Otherwise, I wouldn't have included it here. So we are setting out for the bathroom at once. We don't want to say that. Let's say let us set out for the bathroom at once. So of course that's going to change to a present subjunctive. And in this case, proficici is third. So we fear A, liar. Proficiscamur. Let us set out for the bathroom at once. Okay, and finally, having set out at once. Statim. I don't know if we're using statim in the quarterly or not. Might be other adverbs, might be other time constructions like at night, nocte or something. Having set out, well, not having been X, because this is a deponent, but having X'd. You need to know what the last principal part is. Profectus. Having set out, that's it. That's having set out at once. The only thing is this is one person, and we know we're talking about more than one. So statim profecti, having set out at once, ad latrinam. Actually, we could use indicative. We want indicative, actually. Ad venerunt. I wonder why we have indicative here. They arrived to the bathroom. I don't know. But we have an ablative absolute coming up. With Mr. Bayer teaching no one. In other words, while Mr. Bayer was teaching no one. So, we have a problem because I don't know how Mr. Bayer declines. So, magister, magistri, magistro, magistro, magistro. I have no idea. Why don't we say emptor, magister emptor, emptore. Magister emptore. And then the word for teaching is doceo, docere. So docens, docentis, docenti, docentem, docente. With Mr. Bayer teaching. Now, I'm not sure if you have an object on the quarterly, but if you do, generally the objects in ablative absolute go in the middle of the ablative absolute. So, nemo, nemenis, neminem. With Mr. Bayer teaching no one. I wouldn't worry too much about that no one. Like, let's say it said while the sun was rising or something like that. You won't have an accusative. But magistro emptore, neminem docente. So the ablative absolute is actually these words with Mr. Bayer teaching. And that's it. I didn't make it to 10 minutes. Bummer.